Hey everyone, my name is Jake Adcock, and today I'm going to be talking about Education Technology ePortfolio Edition. Um, I'm currently taking EME 2040. It's a technology class, and I just recently learned how to make an ePortfolio. So I'm going to go through with you the benefits of an ePortfolio, how to make it, what you need to know to make it, and provide some examples. So let's get started. Um, First, I'm going to define an e-portfolio. So, according to Clemson University, an e-portfolio is a collection of work in an electronic format that showcases learning over time. When you think about your e-portfolio and the types of evidence that it contains, it is important to think carefully about its purpose and intended audience. So, an e-portfolio is made so you can learn about yourself and about other people. Your audience could be very broad. It could be classmates, it could be teachers, it could be employers, it could be anyone in the book. So you want to make sure that it's presentable and professional. So next, I'm going to talk a little bit about the importance of an e-portfolio. So in this class, I learned that e-portfolios are beneficial when it comes to wanting to work somewhere for a future job. If an employer is talking to you and you might not be able to get out to where they are for an interview, you could obviously send them over your e-portfolio and they can look into you, find a little bit more about you, what you like, what you've done, your experience, what organizations you've been a part of, and that builds the relationship. E-portfolios are also very good for building relationships with people. You get to know a lot about them. I also provided a short video about a little bit more of an ePortfolio that I'm going to play now.
There are many benefits of e-portfolios that include engagement and ownership. Students feel more ownership of their work because they see it building in their e-portfolios. They actively participate in the selection and evaluation of the content. Flexibility. E-portfolios allow students to collect work over time.
Okay. So yeah, that's a little bit more about just some benefits of an ePortfolio. To move on from that, I'm going to talk a little bit more about the benefits of an ePortfolio because there is a lot, and I just want to explain to you guys the importance of an ePortfolio. So some more benefits would be you get a lot of learning skills from this. Active learning skills, independent learning, collaborative learning, cross-curricular competencies, interpersonal communication skills. It helps you with communication. It also helps you with your self-assessment, self-evaluation, and self-regulating skills. It helps you identify yourself more and others. It also provides digital literacy skills. So it provides a lot that of useful things that you could use in the future and now. I'm only a sophomore in college, so I have a lot of time and I'm thankful that I already am getting ahead on this e-portfolio so I can attain these skills for the future. Um, so next, I'm going to talk about where to make it. So I made mine on at WordPress.com. Basically, you just type up WordPress.com and you can create the website in minutes, as it says on the home page. You click on Start Your Site. It basically brings you through a step-by-step process on building the ePortfolio. It comes with tons of different platforms and different things you can use to make it personal towards you. So I'm going to show you the cover page of mine. So here's an example of my ePortfolio. As you can see, the center right here, it basically is just a brief statement about myself. It says, "Hi, I'm Jake Adcock, a student athlete at the University of Florida," and then a picture of myself. Um, so then there's also in the right corner, if you look up here, there is four different selections. You could select my work, which would describe any previous jobs that I've had or organizations that I've been a part of. You can also learn more about me in the About column, and also if you need to contact me, my contact information is provided there. So, overall, I've learned a lot about ePortfolios, and I hope that you've become more educated in the technology ePortfolio edition. Thank you.